Hey there! Today's topic is smoke sensor. So you will learn how does the sensor work as well as how to use this sensor. So let's start. At first, talk about the sensor module. The sensor is MQ2, that is known as gas sensor. This sensor made by metal oxide semiconductor. When smoke or flammable gas contact with the sensor change its resistance value, like LDR, I mean light dependent resistor. It change resistance value presence of light. So we will operate the sensor by changing resistance values. There are 4 pins: VCC, ground, A0 and D0. This A0 pin provide the variable resistance values. DO provide the specific flammable gas like LPG, alcohol, propane, hydrogen, etc. There are also a potentiometer that helps you to adjust the sensitivity. Whatever, look at the connection diagram. In this video I'll show you how to detect smoke. So I won't use the DO pins. I will make separate video about the specific gas detection. Now the programming section. First initialize the pins. Then set a threshold value and one extra variable for store the sensor values. In void setup, LED just output and sensor input. In void loop, just read the sensor value and compare with the threshold value. If the sensor values greater than threshold value, LED will illuminate and the serial monitor shows you smoke detected. Else, LED remains off and serial monitor give you no smoke as output. That's it. Upload the program to your Arduino and see the output in practically.